Forever's never gone so fast.
Welcome back, guys, on my YouTube channel. We are back with another rally bike build. This time I've had the chance to build the bikes for the Rally Managing Group. The Rally Managing Group is the team of people that takes care of writing the road books and checking all the tracks for all the rallies that take place in Italy, both national and international. I'll now share with you in details what we installed. First thing that comes to the eye is the Rebel X Sports windshield. We have a transparent section that gives us a nice view when we are riding, and we'll see where we are putting our wheels. And we have then a headlight mask. This headlight mask separates the two 10-watt LED lights from the transparent section, avoiding to have any internal reflection, making it really nice to ride at night where we can have a high visibility. Moving on, we have the patented nav tower. It's a bolt-on plug-and-play solution. You don't need to drill or weld anything, you just bolt it on, and this is the nav tower that has been used also at Dakar by Mirko Pavan, who managed to get 4th place in the Malles Moto category. So this is a Dakar-proof rally kit, and it has an extreme versatility as it can be used for adventure riding, so to place GPS and other devices, and also USB ports to charge our device, or it can be used, like in this case, for racing and for the Rally Managing Group to go and track all the road books. Looking at the instruments we installed on the nav tower, we have the MikTek Roadbook, and if you haven't watched it, I'll link it somewhere here, the link to the video where I describe and show you in details the MikTek Roadbook holder. We have an ICO Trip Master, we'll turn it on. Here in the lower section we have 2 switches. This one is the main power coming from the battery, and it will power up the fuse box and all the devices connected to it. The second switch is for the lights, for the headlight and for the internal light of the roadbook. If we switch it on and off, the lights of the roadbook and Trip Master and headlight will turn on. The nice thing of the Rebel X Sports nav tower is that it lets you keep the OEM dashboard, so we won't have to remove our OEM speedometer, where we can find information on the total hours or kilometers of the bike. To command our devices, the roadbook holder and the Trip Master, we simply kept the OEM switches that came in the box with these products. This meaning here we have the ICO plastic switch. This will let us change screen with the red and set our Trip Master forward or backwards. In the lower part we have the Roadbook thumb switch. This will let us move back and forward the roadbook. Everything is nicely held in place and ready to go. Some other cool features of the Rebel X Sports nav tower is the possibility to install GPS antennas or the ERTF and ERITRAC antennas here on top or below on the lower bracket, but also we can use the lower bracket to place our spare levers or any tools. We also have the usual 6-way fuse box with LED error indicator. I really like this because it let us have 6 power outlets, so if we need to add any device, we won't have to go all the way to the battery, and we can wire everything on the tower. And this is extremely important when we are racing, because if we have any issue with any of the wires, we can just work here on the front and we can remove the full fairing by simply using the quick release, because this rally kit features 4 quick release so that we can remove the whole fairing without the need of any tools and just with our hands. A very interesting and useful feature, in my opinion, is the main power wire, the one that goes from the battery to the fuse box, which comes with the kit. It's in gray. This makes it really easy to spot it out on the bike as all the wires are in black. So if we'll need to replace this wire, it will be very quick to do because we'll immediately know which wire has to be replaced. The other accessories we placed on these betas are a full black sticker kit so that it would blend in nicely with the fairing, because the side panels are in fiberglass and made in matte black, but also so that we could stick properly the stickers that we made with the Motorally and RayTT logos and the Rally Managing Group logos that cover practically most of the bike. To end with, we have a Selle della Valle seat cover. This is not the usual factory rally seat cover, as the Rally Managing Group is designing the roadbooks only for the rallies in Italy, and here in Italy the weather is pretty variable and we get quite a lot of rain, so we thought that it would be better to have a different type of material on the seat, and this is a material that has more grip than the rally one. So for the Rally Managing Group, as they'll be a lot in the woods, we prefer to install this type of material. Okay guys, this was a relatively simple rally build. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're interested in any products, that from the Roadbook holder to the Trip Master to the switches, the LED switches or the fuse box or the full rally kit, you can find all the products at rebelexports.com. I'll link them in the description. And now we are waiting for ex-factory HRC Dakar rider Paolo Ceci, who will come and pick up these bikes, as he is one of the members of the Rally Managing Group and he is one of the guys that now tracks all the road books here in Italy, and also during the races he supervises all the special stages. Thanks a lot. Stay tuned because more rally bike builds are coming, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.